Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to see backup photos in Google Photos. First of all, you can open the Google Photos application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Now you can just simply scroll down, and here you will find the second last option, that is Google Photos settings. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on backup. You can just simply scroll down, and here you can tap on manage storage, and after a few seconds of loading you can just simply scroll down. Now you can see the option large photos and videos. Tap on it, and here you can see your backup photos in Google Photos. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.